Just like any hand tool work, you need sharp tools to do good work. So when you come to the lathe, you're going to have to figure out how to sharpen all of your gouges and skew chisels and everything in order to do your best turning work. I used a Tormek bench grinder setup, but really any setup with an adjustable flat rest or even integrating that popular Wolverine style jig will work just fine. In other words, the bottom of the hardware. So the blocks that we build up need to stop 2 inches below the center of rotation. So just cinch these down a little. There we go. It's a little bit easier to see. So I start with the tool tilted out and then work down so that I'm flat along the edge. Each time, feel that lock into place and pull back. You can grind back those wings. The more I rotate it, the more pointed the tip will become, and I can work this diamond home registers. It actually kind of clicks in place. Perfectly matches the shape of the wheel. The watchwords here are quick and repeatable, and one begets the other, really. The less steel you remove, the faster you will sharpen, the cooler your tools will stay, and the faster you can get back to work.